Alright folks, so what we are going to do today is we're going to take the kids and give the wife a break today. I'm going to take them to the park for a little bit in the truck. They can go play a little bit, let the baby stay with the mom. She can deal with him, get the kids away from her for a little bit. And I need another coffee anyways, because the coffee I got is cold. The wife got it at 7 o'clock this morning. I didn't get out of bed until 10 o'clock, so I need a better coffee. So with that said, let's head to Tim Hortons and then the playground for the kids to play. Alright folks, so we are in the truck now and we got the kids back there. We're going to take them to the park. They're going to have some fun. We're going to let them run around, and that way we can kind of just sit and watch them run around. There should be other kids there hopefully that they can play with, and they'll play their game. What's that game you play, bud? Sand trap. There you go, folks. If you don't know what that is, I think it's basically the same as like tag, but the difference is if you touch the ground, you're it. Something like that.
But no. You only unless people say sand trap.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. See, I get to relive my childhood through my kids. Yeah. They get to have all the fun. I get to watch them burn off the energy that I used to have. But anyways, let's go grab that coffee first. Alright folks, so we made it to the park. As you can see, the truck parked there. Boy, does it need a wash. It is dirty. But anyways, we're going to head down here to the kids. We'll see them down here. Alright, there we go. Look at the kids. They're going to go and do their thing. Look at this fella go, huh? All across. Huh? Okay, go ahead. You ready? Go. Hey, can you do it, or you need help? Hey, that's it, you do it. Keep going. Oh, you need me to grab you? Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at him go. What's this fella doing here? What's going on here? Yeah?
I don't think I can do that.
Okay. Well, what can you do? Oh. Alright folks, we are on our way right now to the dog park with the dogs. The wife is in the car back there. I don't know if you can see her. She's right behind that blue truck there. She just switched lanes. But we are on our way to the dog park. I got two of the kids here. One of them's with her and the two dogs. So we're going to head to the dog park so that the dogs can have a little bit of fun. They need some exercise because they've been cooped up in the house since, you know, well, the winter I don't take them out. Like we take them walking around the block, but they don't really get to go and run free and, you know, get that exercise they need. So since COVID, we haven't had them to the dog park and everything. So today we figured, you know what, let's get them out, get them to wind up, let the other fella run free before he goes to get fixed Monday. He goes in Monday and he gets snipped. So anyways, with that said, let's head to the dog park. Alright folks, sorry about the wind. It is very windy here in the field. We are at the dog park now. basically, as you can see. I know the wind is going to be a lot, but it's a big open field. They have a in-fenced area for training dogs, for dogs that are trained, or whatever you want to call them. Basically, you know, you go to a dog show and, well, they have that fenced-in area for those kind of dogs because of the fact that the other dogs will scent them or whatever. I don't know the whole story, but all I know is that's the story, that's what that's for. It even says on the sign for training dogs or something, I don't know. But anyways, they're kind of wore out now. We've been here a few minutes, so the dogs, you know, they booked her a few times up and down the field. They're basically wore out now. The tongues are hanging way out. A good drink of water do them good now. But that's what they need. They need to get out and just burn off some steam. You know, look at them. See? Wore out. Look at the other fella. His tongue's out there first, smacking him in the face. Yeah, so that's what's going on now. They're pretty wore out. His tongue's out so far, it's smacking him in the face. And the kids. Yeah, you know, it helps too when you take the kids to the dog park too, right? They wear out too. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go get them out. They get to run around and wear themselves out some. So with the wind, I'm not going to stay on very long. We'll just keep going here, and we'll see us after we leave the dog park because of the wind. It'll just, you know, and there's not really much for you to see, folks, to be honest. So, you know, yeah, a bunch of dogs, woohoo, right? So anyways, let's just keep going. We'll see you in a sec. Alright folks, so we are on our way now to put some air in the wife's tires, and we gotta put some air in the strollers tires because it doesn't have enough air, so it makes it hard to push it. And I want to be able to put two of the kids in it, because one likes to get lazy. The other one can't walk, but one likes to get lazy and not want to walk. So I need to have it so that I can put him in it. So we're going to scoot down the road here to the tire pressure. Well, actually, it's just right here, so it's not far. And then we gotta go get some pop. We're at a pop. Went through 3 bottles like it was water. So with all the warm temperature and that. So all right, let's swing in here. We'll get some air in the tires. That's the car wash I always go to. Everybody's checking out to see where the noise is coming from. Alright folks, so we got the air in the tires, and now we're gonna head to our favorite store, which is Walmart. We're gonna get some Pepsi Max. Gotta have that Pepsi Max, love the Pepsi Max. And there's probably people that are going to comment and say, it's full of aspartame. No, it's harmful for they say steak is harmful for you. And are you going to stop eating steak because of it? Alright folks, so we are done for the day. I got the little fella here. He is looking at the camera like, what is that, Dad? But anyways, with that said, it is another day down. We had some fun today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel and want to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.